Hello children, this is the question bank for standard 10 mathematics 2 for the lesson trigonometry. Question 1a we have solved. Now we are going to solve question 1b. 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. First we should know the value for the tan 45 and that is equal to 1. So we'll start solving. First copy the question. Then write 1 minus tan 45 is 1 and this is 1 plus, this is 1 square, 1 plus 1 square. So this is 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, so 0 upon 2 and that is equal to 0. Tan theta is 13 upon 12, find the cot theta. We know that the cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So this is 1 upon 13 upon 12, so this will become 12 upon 13. So answer is cot theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Now we have to prove that this cosec theta into the square root of 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1. So to prove we have to take LHS and RHS. So first we'll write LHS cosec theta into square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now we know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If we'll bring this cos square theta on that side, it will become sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So for this 1 minus cos square theta, we'll write sin square theta. So this is cosec theta square root of sin square theta. Now cosec theta. Now this is square root of sin square. So square root and square will get cancelled. This will be sin theta. Now we know that 1 upon cosec theta is sin theta into sin theta. That is sin theta will get cancelled. It is equal to 1 and that is equal to RHS. Therefore, copy the question. Cosec theta 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now tan theta is equal to 1. We have to find out sin theta and cos theta. Now tan theta is 1. We know that tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so value for the theta is 45 degree. Now using this value we'll find out the sin theta into cos theta. That is equal to sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 into root 2, 2. So the answer is 1 upon 2. This is 2 sin theta equal to 3 cos theta and we have to find out tan theta. Now we'll bring this cos theta here and 2 on that side. So sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta and that is equal to 3 upon 2. This is our answer. Now cot 90 minus A is equal to 1. Then angle A we have to find out. That is a measure of A we have to find out. Now we know the formula that cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. This is cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So cot 90 minus A is tan A. Therefore, what is the LHS? Okay, so this is given. This is the formula. Question is cot 90 minus A is equal to 1. So this is tan A is equal to 1. And tan 45 degree is 1, but therefore A is equal to 45 degree, angle A. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 4 theta we have to find out. Now we know the formula 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore sin square theta you can write like this also. This is 1 upon 2 whole square. Sin square theta and 1 upon 2 the whole square. Okay, so we'll remove the square from both this side. Therefore sin theta is equal to half and Sine 30 degree is half. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree. This is the answer. Now prove that cos 90 minus a upon sin a is equal to sin 90 minus a upon cos a. So here we'll take the LHS, cos 90 minus a upon sin a. Okay, so we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is cos 90 minus a is sin a upon sin a. That is equal to 1. Now we'll take a right hand side. Sin 90 minus a upon cos a, and cos 90 minus sin 90 minus a is cos a, and the denominator cos a, that is equal to 1. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Then copy the question over here. Tan theta into dash is equal to sin theta. Then we have to find out the value for dash. So just to understand, I am taking x over here. So tan theta into x is equal to sin theta. Then find out the value for x. So that x in that box is equal to, first copy the question, then write this tan theta will come to the denominator, sin theta upon tan theta. Now this is sin theta, and tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. So that upon we will write in the numerator. Double denominator will go to the numerator. This will get cancelled, and this is cos theta. So the answer, this is cos theta. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Sec theta in plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta equal to what? We have to find out. Now we'll copy the question this, then we'll write sec means 1 upon cos, sin cos tan, cosec sec cot. So sec means 1 upon cos, tan means sin upon cos. So convert everything in the sin and cos form. Sec means 1 upon cos minus sin upon cos. Now the denominator is same, so we'll add the numerator. This will become 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now we have to multiply this 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Now here we'll use the formula of a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So this is 1 square, that is 1 minus sin square theta upon cos square theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta upon cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So write this is equal to 1. So answer, you write the question equal to 1. Sin 75 upon cos 15. Now we have studied the formula sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now we'll convert sin into cos or cos into sin anyhow. So question is sin 75 degree upon cos 15 degree. Now this is sin. For the 75 I am writing 90 minus 15. See, only 75 means 90 minus 75. So 90 minus 15. If we'll subtract this, we'll get 75. So sin I have written as it is, and for the 75 I have written 90 minus 15 because subtraction of this is 75 only. Cos 15 I have written as it is. Now using this formula, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin 90 minus 15 is cos 15. So cos 15 upon cos 15 is 1.